Hello everyone and welcome to the presentation. In today's presentation we're gonna presentation about the teaching English using games. So before we do that, we're gonna introduce our group today or member. First, let me introduce myself to the and the team, of course. So my name is Chris Peloisias Paskabakti Putra and my other member is Priti Nambebianti, Patricia, Safira Hamanda Putri, Maya Resti Riswara, Wahyu Purnomo Aji. So this is our table of content. Introduction. So this is the meaning of the teaching using games from the researchers. The effectiveness is to describe the effect of the using games in teaching English. Advantage and disadvantage. Describe the positive and negative side of using games in teaching English. So there will be a conclusion, the result of the teaching English using games. So first we're gonna do the introduction. The use of games in the teaching English, children loves in joining fun activities, as stated by Harmer. Children need to be involved in something active. So another mean is they will usually not sit and listen. It means that children like playing very much. Children need to frequent change of activity. The teacher should be more imaginative and creative in creating a teaching method. Children like to play games. Teacher can use the game that is provided any communicative activity in teaching English to the children. As Roger Gower, Diane Phillips, and Steve Walters said, many conventional games can be adapted to foreign language teaching, as with many communicative activity in the area of the language. Produced may be predictable and therefore useful as a guided activity. It means that games can help teacher in teaching foreign language to the children, to the student. Meanwhile, John Haycraft says that games are a agreeable way of getting a class to use its initiative in English, as they gently competitive. They increase. Besides, the games is fun activity. Game can motivate students in joining teaching learning process. It can attract the student attention. English using the games is a good way. Playing with language in this way is very common in the first language development, and it is very natural stage in the first stage of the foreign language learning too. Using game in teaching language can help the student in developing their language, especially in the first stage. It means that play is an essential nature of child. It's said by the Scotch and Göteborg. Besides the game is fun activity, game can game also can help students in increasing their language skill, as stated by Brumfitt and Ray Tang. Children learn through playing. In playing together, they interact in the interacting they develop language skills. So the presentation will be continued to my other member in the effectiveness of using games in the teaching English.
Hello, my name is Patricia. Now I will explain about the effectiveness of using games in teaching English. A game is fun and enjoyable activity. Children like playing fun activity. Teacher can use games as their method in teaching English to the children. As a method of teaching learning process, games have a big role in helping the students to learn English as a foreign language. Therefore, games can make the class fun. Incorporating English games into the classroom can build interest in the class. Games can attract the students' attention during the teaching learning process because they like playing games. Besides, games also can motivate the students in joining the teaching learning process. Games can help the student in mastering the language. Thank you.
My name is Waiponomo Aji and my registration number is 193030201080. In this part, I want to present about the effectiveness of using games in teaching English. The first is games make the class be fun. Teaching English skills really needs an active participation of the students. Remembering that children can easily be bored in doing some activities. Games can help the teacher make the funny activities. More games are fun and enjoyable to do. The second is games can attract the students' attention. Generally, young learners could not always concentrate and pay attention during the teaching learning process. Where the lesson boring, they would play and chat with their friends. It could disturb the learning process and could make the class to be ineffective. By using game in teaching learning process, the students were very enthusiastic in joining the activity. The third is games can motivate the students in joining the class. There are many kinds of games such as competitive game. Generally, children love joining challenge activity. Competitive game can compete the player to be the winner. Playing competitive game in the class is a good way. It could motivate the students in joining the class. The fourth is games can help the student in mastering the language. Some English games provide the communicative activity. When the students play the game, they interact and communicate with others. It was meaningful and contextual practice, so the language become more vivid in their mind. The fifth is games can create the bond between students and teacher. Generally, a teacher wants to build a bond with their students. A teacher wants to be close to their students by using games in teaching learning process. It will be able to show ourselves as a person, not just a teacher. Playing game can create a positive class environment. It allows children to relax and enjoy themselves and those around them.
Hello, I'm Pritina Bebianti with the registration number 193030201077. Here I will explain about the advantages of the game in English language development. In the process of learning English or other subjects, a game is interested from time to time in lessons so that students are not interested in following the lessons until it is finished. But the game generally remains unbeatable with the learning goal of activating attainable goals. The object of the game in English are 1. Improve the bond understanding of English vocabulary. 2. Eliminate a sense of boredom and our students' enthusiasm for learning. And 3. Students can work well in groups and help each other. So the goals we as teacher try to find or create creative and interesting game ideas to design concept or design in such a way for certain materials. Maybe on material that is difficult for students to apply and make students discourse with games that are already in concept or design in accordance with the material being taught. It will help students understand the material being taught by the teacher. In addition, games also make learning more fun and interactive. The advantages of using games in developing English also include games build children English rapport in a familiar and comfortable environment, even for students who may have special needs, where they feel confident. Moreover, English is readily spoken with computers. Games increase motivation and desire to develop themselves. Challenge and competition are key factors for any games and understand pay more attention to completing assessment. An interdisciplinary approach. Students also use knowledge from other classes. Games develop students' ability to observe. The games has clear rules and objectives. Games develop critical thinking, problem solving, and imagination. English gamers are also very useful in increased enthusiasm in English learning activities. This is because there are many communicative and collaborating games that can attract students' interaction in the learning process. That's all for me. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Safira Hamanda Putri. My registration number is 19 30 30 20 11 00. In the other hand, according to Stojkovic and Jerotijevic, there are some disadvantages for using games in EFL classrooms, such as first, discipline issues. Learners may get excessively noisy. Second, straying away from the basic purpose of the gameplay activity, perhaps due to inadequate rules instruction, resulting in playing too much and the lack of learning. Third, if games are already familiar or boring, students might not get equally involved. Fourth, some learners, especially teenagers, might find games unnecessary and childish. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Maya Estiviswara. So I will continue the topic that we will discuss today. There are many points are needed to be considered by the teacher before using games. The first one, games should be technically easy to use in the classroom. The second one, games should be in accordance with student age and the level of knowledge. The third one is games should keep all of the student interested. And then, it is at least stable to use short games, otherwise students may lose their interest in. And games should have an aim. They are used to motivate students not only for fun. And then, games should focus on the use of language. By their means, students have to learn, practice, or refresh a language component. And the last one is the content should be appropriate. It should fit the curriculum, be correct from all points of view, and not to promote the wrong values. So for the conclusion is the primary aim of this study was to explore the importance of using game in EFL classroom, as this findings show that using games creates an environment in which there is fun and satisfaction beside high motivation for learning a language. Moreover, the role of game in order to decrease anxiety of using the target language cannot be ignored. Games are important for teaching English because they are a way to provide for learners not only having fun and amusement with the target language but also practice incidentally. To be short, games can be accepted as useful and effective tools that are effective for teaching vocabulary. The use of game in EFL classroom is a way to provide more interesting, enjoyable, and effective teaching. So in conclusion, according to the findings of this study, it can be obviously understood that the games are very important instrument in language teaching classroom in terms of providing a relaxed environment of learners, and from both teacher and learner, games are very useful if they have an educational purpose rather than being fun. So that's all from our group. Thank you for the attention and good afternoon.